Alright, in this video we are unboxing the new DJI Avata 2 FPV drone. I really enjoyed using the DJI Avata. I'm really excited to see what this new version brings. So let's get this unboxed. Now I am using the DJI Fly More Combo 3 battery version. Always recommend, if you can, get the Fly More Combo just for those extra batteries. And it is good to see that, just like in other DJI Fly More combos, with the Avata 2 you also get this nice bag as well. And to be honest, the DJI bags that come with the drones, they are really good quality. For just those single use, I do enjoy using them, and this one is really good as well. So you can see it is of good quality and it fits everything neatly inside of here. So everything that you need for your DJI Avata 2 can fit snug inside of this. So I'm going to take out all of these different things in here, and believe me, in the Fly More combo you get a lot of different accessories. So I'm going to put all these on the table. I'm going to show you every single one of these accessories, and then we can decide, is it actually worth getting the Fly More combo or not. So the bag, yeah, so you can see all of these different compartments. It's got nice felt inside of it, so it's not going to scratch any of your equipment. You've got pockets on the side. So I think if you just want to take your DJI Avata 2, this is perfect. It comes with the Fly More combo anyway, and the actual strap on it is fully adjustable as well, and you get this nice padding, so it's not going to be hurting your shoulder if you're actually wearing this for long periods of time. You could also use this with other drones as well. You could put your mini drones in here, maybe just take a camera, an action camera. It is really good, that bag. Okay, now firstly, the DJI instructions, I don't tend to read these at all. I'll just throw them to the side and I'll keep them in the bag. But before you throw these away, it's something different this time inside of here. So you've got all your quick start guides. We'll just put them to one side. But look at this, what you also get. You do now get some DJI stickers. I don't think I've seen these before in any of the DJI products before, but now we have them. So if you want some DJI stickers, you want to stick these on your bag or your laptop or whatever you want to do with them, you now have some DJI stickers inside of that instructions. Okay, let's get to the creme de la creme, the DJI Avata 2. So you can see the look of it. It looks different to DJI Avata, so it has had a redesign. I at first was like, do I like this or not? But it has grown on me a lot, and I do actually think it's really good now and brings some good key advantages. Now, firstly, the battery at the back has had an improvement. So the battery life, it's 23 minutes now of flight time. So that's good. Any extra battery in FPV is always needed. Normally in like 3-inch drones, it's like 3 to 6 minutes. So consider we can now get 23 minutes out of each one of these batteries. That's brilliant. Now, you'll notice on the back, it's also got downwards and backwards sensors. So if you are flying backwards, it can now detect any obstacles. So that's really good. We've still got the 3-inch propellers, so it's still a 3-inch drone. And although this is slightly bigger than the DJI Avata, it's lighter. This is 377 grams. The DJI Avata was 410 grams. It does have a C1 label on it. So it's a C1 certified drone. You can just see on the side there. And you can see that the 3-inch propellers are fully protected by this frame, and the frame, it's good to see, is really strong and robust. So the camera's had an improvement as well. This is a larger sensor now, a 1/1.3 inch sensor, 12 megapixel with a 155 degrees field of view. You've now got 4K 30, 50 and 60 in HDR, and it can film 2.7K at to 100 FPS. Now the memory card slot on the side, it is on the side now. It's not within the propellers, so much easier to get to. This is where you're going to be able to put your memory card slot in, where you charge your drone, but it also has now 48 gigabytes of internal storage. And I think that's great to see. I wish all of these DJI drones going forward now have a decent amount of storage in them. Okay, over onto now the new goggles. So the DJI Goggles 3, these are completely different to the Goggles Integra and Goggles 2 with some notable new improvements. Firstly, on the front, you'll see these cameras now. So it has 2 pass-through cameras. These are 720p, and it enables you, when you've got the goggles on, to be able to see through those cameras. You've also got this forehead strap at the top. Now, this is really comfortable and it allows you to get the perfect fit. The battery is integrated. You're going to get about 3 hours of battery life, and you can adjust that strap. You can either tighten it or loosen it just by moving that. I would say out of all the different DJI goggles that I've actually used, these are the comfiest. You can see it's got this like rubber stuff, like surround around it now, hasn't it? I was thinking, do I pull this off at first? What is this? But this is basically, if you get hot outside, it's going to stop any moisture getting onto the actual lenses, and it will actually enclose you more, so you're not going to get any light leaks. Now the actual lenses, you're going to have two lenses on here. They can both be adjusted, so you can change the diameter adjustments just by turning the wheel, and you've also have different options, which I'll show you in a second, for making these stronger if you need to. But overall, with the customization on here with that forehead strap that adjusts, you're going to get a really nice fit now with these goggles. You also have a new Motion Controller 3 inside of this kit. Now the Motion Controller 3, it comes with this little wrist strap here that you can just feed onto the bottom of it to stop it falling. It is smaller, it's now in a dark grey colour, and it's also lighter as well, and it has a bit of a better grip. Now it still has the same buttons in the same position, so you've got your joystick button, your red emergency stop button, takeoff button, mode button. So with the Motion Control, this is going to allow you to fly the drone using just your wrist. You basically turn your wrist left, right, up and down, and the drone will react to that, and you also pull back on that trigger and the drone will fly. And this motion controller is perfect for any beginners because it's so easy to actually fly this drone now, and you can see just how small it is compared to like the average mobile phone size. So that's really good. Now the batteries that come with the Fly More combo are fantastic. So you're going to get 2 extra batteries. So overall you're going to get over 60 minutes of flight time with these 3 batteries. Now you can see on this case, just like on the Air 3, it's a bit similar to that. You've got USB-C charging. Each one of these batteries is going to charge in sequence, but the great thing is we now have fast charge, so you can get from 10 to 90% in only 30 minutes, and you can charge one of these batteries full in 40 minutes. That is really good to see. Now some of these accessories here, you do get the different adjustable diameters here, so if you need some extra strength ones, you just slot these onto the actual lenses on the goggles. You're also going to get an additional forehead strap here, so if you need it to be a bit more snug around your forehead or your nose, you've got an additional strap, and also a converter here if you have USB-A cables to USB-C. You're going to get some extra propellers, and these are the propellers that go directly onto the DJI Avata 2. You just screw these in. You do get some screws included in this pack as well. So if you do have any problems, if you crash it, you can replace these propellers yourself. Just take them off, unscrew them, and screw these back on. So that's everything you get inside of this combo. Now if we just look at it compared to the original DJI Avata, you can see a significant difference in the actual looks of both of these drones. So the Avata 2 definitely looks more slim, a bit more streamlined. The original Avata was slightly smaller. It does look, the battery's certainly a lot bigger, so you can see the difference there with the 2 batteries. The goggles, the noticeable difference on the goggles Integra to the new ones, goggles 3, is them pass-through cameras. So you're going to be able to see your surroundings now. All you do is double tap on the side of them goggles and it will enter pass-through mode, or you can double tap on the remote controller. You can also get picture-in-picture, so you can see your surroundings and your goggles view. Really cool. And DJI also sell the DJI Avata 2 ND filters in strengths 8, 16 and 32, and these come in this nice little case and they just slot straight onto the front of the DJI Avata. You're always going to need ND filters, any of your drones, especially FPV. You're going to be flying faster, probably lower to the ground. You want that motion blur, but I'm sure third-party manufacturers like Freewell will be releasing like a variety of different ND filters for this, probably in higher strengths as well. They don't fit the DJI Avata though, so it is a different camera size, so ND filters for the DJI Avata will not fit the DJI Avata 2. So it's going to come in a few different combinations. I'll put the prices on the screen here, but overall I do think the Fly More Combo 3 battery version is 100% worth it. I always want to go to that location and have as much battery life as possible, and by having 3 batteries it's going to give you a lot more flight time and a lot more fun. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about this DJI Avata 2. If you want to go and check this out and go and buy it, I'll link it where it's available right now, and you'll also directly support me and the channel. So thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new around here, and I'll see you guys on the next one with many more videos. Bye bye.